Hello, my name is Willie, and I'll bring you through today's topic, which is what is support and resistance. So strap on your belts, get your pen and paper ready, let's dive in with Willie. What is support and resistance? Basically, support and resistance level are the core fundamentals to the technical analysis. Support and resistance level would actually outline the important prices that you should look out for in order to determine its trend or what is going to happen next. Traders can use this information to confirm two things. Number one, trends. By using the support and resistance level, we can actually determine whether the price is going to go up or go down. Second is execution point. Traders can utilize support or resistance level in order to determine the entry price, stop loss, and also take profit points. Now, how do we actually identify whether it is a support level or resistance level? Actually, it's fairly easy. Let's bring out the charts. A support level is always the price below the current price, as you can see from the chart indicated here. Whereas a resistance level is always the price level above the current price, as you can see indicated in the chart here. On the other hand, when the price breaks through a resistance level, it will actually become the next support level. And in addition to that, when the price breaks through a support level, it will become the next resistance level. Since we know how to identify its support and resistance level, now let's take a look on how to draw them. Let's bring up the charts. A support and resistance level can be drawn when the price reaches the same price point at least twice. However, the higher the number of times the price actually reaches the same price point as previously indicated, it is a strong level of support and resistance. This will mean that it will be harder for the price to break through these levels. For example, as you can see for the graph here, EUR/GBP tested the same level at around 0.8036 for at least 4 times. This actually makes the price level of 0.8036 a prominent one, and it is harder to break through. And that's all we have on support and resistance. Don't forget to like this video for more content just like this.